I'll just go make a cup of tea.
That's better. That's clearer.
Clearer, you pants.
Yeah, that's better. Now you can talk now,
You see my penis.
Do you want to have a look at a cup of tea?
On a clear day, you can see my penis.
Let's have a look then.
Yeah, then.
What?
Means.
Yeah, look.
What? Yeah, look, I've it.
We'll go make a cup of tea now, look.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
I don't know, tea. He's got his glove on, look. He's got that. He's got that fucking wanking glove on, look. He's got that wanking glove on again, look.
I'll do another two in that glove.
What's that pie then? The value one?
It's got Valium in it here.
Yeah, mate, it's a bin over here.
Okay then, put it in a full up.
It's a man's bin.
What are you calling it for?
Well, because I'm a man. Good boy.
Even the dog gets on the video. Hunt.
Do you want a cup of tea, Melvin?
Yeah, with 2 sandwiches and milk.
Do you want a cup of tea, Ed?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Does anyone want a coffee?
You fuck off what?
Right?
You said fuck off then.
Does anyone want a fuck coffee?
For course and coals take fuck offs.
Anyone fuck coffee?
I'm just going out as it is.
Oh, that's really funny.
My fucking arm aches, that's enough.